Experiencing no service on SafeLink? Let's troubleshoot. First, check your coverage. SafeLink uses networks like T-Mobile, so signal strength varies. Use the SafeLink app's coverage map, updated with carrier APIs, or the FCC broadband map to identify dead zones. If coverage is weak, move to a better location. Next, verify your SIM card and IMEI. Your SIM stores network credentials. The IMEI is your phone's unique ID. Dial *SIC to find your IMEI. Contact SafeLink support if it's blocked due to theft or other issues. For Verizon-based users, dial *228 to ensure your SIM is activated. SIM incompatibility or a blocked IMEI are common causes of no service. If coverage and SIM IMEI checks are fine, the next step is to perform a carrier reset. This reconfigures your phone's connection to the SafeLink network without affecting your data. Use the SafeLink app to initiate the reset or contact customer service for assistance. If the carrier reset doesn't resolve the issue, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device completely. Second, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then off to refresh connections. Third, for CDMA networks, dial the code 72786 to perform a network reset. Also, check your access point name or APN settings. These must be correctly configured for your carrier to allow data connections. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of no service problems. If the problem continues despite these troubleshooting steps, contact SafeLink support for further help. Be sure to mention the steps you've already tried to speed up the resolution process.